Here it comes, the grand finale, day 10. Hello, Excel fans. First of all, a massive round of applause for you. 10 days, countless skills acquired. But how about we materialize all that hard work? Ever tried printing an Excel sheet and got a jigsaw puzzle instead of coherent data? Today that changes. Discover how to adjust your print options, margins, and orientation to get that perfect print. Whether it's selecting specific print areas or adding page breaks, it's all about getting a crisp, clean, shareable result. And don't let unexpected print surprises catch you off guard. Always preview before you print. Day 10 is here to empower you. So the next time you hit that print button, you'll do so with confidence and precision. Now, your day 10 journey might be ending, but the road to mastery is endless. So dive deeper with our Excel Simplified course. Click the link in the description. Also, remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all our engaging future content. Thank you.